Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. In today's video we will consider about setting up plumbing work for newly constructing house. Setting up plumbing for a newly constructed house involves a series of well-planned steps to ensure a reliable and efficient system. Here's a general guide. 1. Planning and design blueprints. Work with an architect or a plumbing engineer to create detailed blueprints that outline the plumbing system, including the layout for pipes, fixtures, and appliances. Permits. Obtain necessary permits from local authorities, ensuring all work complies with building codes and regulations. 2. Main supply line connection. Connect the house to the municipal water supply or a private well. This involves running a main supply line from the source to the house. Water meter. Install a water meter if required by your local water utility. 3. Piping materials selection. Choose appropriate piping materials such as copper, PEX, or PVC. Each has its advantages and applications. Sizing. Determine the correct pipe sizes based on the water demand and flow rates for different fixtures and appliances. 4. Rough-in plumbing drain waste vent (DWV) system. Install the DWV pipes first. These pipes remove wastewater and vent gases outside. Slope. Ensure proper slope for drainage pipes to avoid clogs. Venting. Install vent pipes to allow sewer gases to escape and ensure proper drainage. Supply pipes. Run the hot and cold water supply lines to each fixture and appliance location. Stub outs. Leave pipe ends stub outs extending out of the walls and floors for future connections to fixtures. 5. Installation of fixtures. Install toilets, sinks, bathtubs, showers, and appliances like dishwashers and water heaters. Connections. Connect fixtures to the supply and DWV lines. Use appropriate fittings and seals to prevent leaks. 6. Testing pressure test. Test the water supply system by pressurizing the pipes and checking for leaks. Drainage test. Check the DWV system by running water through the drains and inspecting for leaks and proper flow. 7. Final inspections. Professional inspection. Have the plumbing system inspected by a certified professional to ensure it meets all codes and regulations. Municipal inspection. Schedule an inspection with local authorities for final approval. 8. Finishing. Sealing and insulating. Seal around pipes and insulate them if necessary to prevent heat loss and freezing. Drywall and finishes. Complete wall and floor finishes around the plumbing installations. 9. Maintenance plan documentation. Keep detailed records of the plumbing layout and materials used. Regular checks. Plan regular maintenance checks to ensure the system remains in good working order. Tools and materials needed. Piping copper, PEX, or PVC fittings, connectors, and seals. Saws and pipe cutters. Wrenches and pliers. Plumbers tape. Soldering kit for copper pipes. Pressure gauges. Pipe insulation tips. Professional help. Consider hiring a licensed plumber for complex tasks to ensure quality and compliance with local codes. Quality materials. Use high-quality materials to avoid future problems and ensure a long-lasting system. Detailed planning. Spend ample time in the planning phase to avoid costly changes and repairs later. Setting up plumbing for a new house is a complex but manageable task with careful planning and execution. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth and successful installation. Subscribe my channel for more future videos. Stay tuned. Have a blessed day. L.